Hunting has always been a passion of mine. Being in the outdoors, the challenge of the hunt, the adventure, the unknown. 2 years ago, I had the opportunity to join Chase Nation, and my world's never been the same. Running a camera, being in front of the camera. How about that, guys? Just flipped my world upside down. But I love it. I love everything about it. It's made me who I am.
He has no idea I'm here, Dave. You see him? He doesn't have a clue. He's 50 yards. Dave, here he comes. He's coming, he's coming. Here he comes, Dave. Dave, I can't believe I just filmed that from the ground, dude. I filmed the whole thing. Unbelievable.
Were you on?
Yeah, I was on.
I may be a hair high, but I'm shooting down. So
I got my camera in a red Sendix grocery store bag because it's raining like crazy right now, or it was. Dude, I'm shaking, and I'm on my knees and I look up and I see this deer staring right at me. So I froze and I waited, and as soon as he turned his head, I got down real low and I hugged this tree and I said, Dave, get your bow up the tree now. There's a shooter. And I got my camera on him and I got around behind the side of the tree here and just started filming, and you just saw what happened. Dude, let's go. Let's get down here and give me somebody.
Hello?
hey,
Hey. Can I put you on speakerphone?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, go.
So I just crawled up into the tree.
Uh-huh.
Sam's standing at the bottom and he goes, hey, get ready, there's a buck. And all of a sudden I look and here comes this like goofy club-footed one. And all of a sudden behind it, there's a big boy. So I like ducked down. I was like almost on my knees in the stand, and I had a slightly quartering to shot, and I was just like squeeze, and I smacked him. Texting the dog tracker, or the deer tracker guy. What was it, Jaeger or Roger? Yeah. I said, will the rain mess it up? It's pouring here, which would happen on the night I shoot a big buck. And he said, where'd you hit it? Did you recover the arrow? No, I did not recover the arrow. The arrow is stuck in the deer, which, like Sam said, might be a blessing because I have a strobe light knock and it lasts for I think 18 hours, so hopefully that's a good thing. I don't know. Kind of a party pooper right now because I don't know what I don't know, because we couldn't find the arrow, we couldn't find blood. I felt very confident with the shot, but I'm getting dumped on. What do you think, Sam?
Roll in reverse, let's go get a beer.
One.
We'll watch the footage back.
I'm so covered in these burdocks. Like, look at this. It's been raining for about 3 hours now. Sam was able to get a hold of pretty much every landowner in the area, and almost all of them granted us permission to look, except for one.
Call and see if he lets us go walk around, see if that deer's not laying in there. And I'm not exactly sure where the deer went at this point. I've got a couple ideas, but he kind of ran in your direction. And I just wanted to cross that bridge with you now in case, you know, our search comes up empty on our side and I need to get across the line there. Do you have any problem with that?
I'm not comfortable at all with anybody else walking on my property besides me. I don't let anybody go back there.
And I'm not trying to argue with you. We're looking for a deer. We don't want it to go to waste, and I'd hate for you to, you know, wake up smelling it after it starts rotting if we don't come up with it.
I could go back and look myself tonight, and if you want to call me tonight or call me tomorrow morning, I can tell you if I found anything or not.
All right. I'm just the only thing I'm concerned, and I appreciate that, so I'll take you up on that. I'm a little concerned with we're looking at temperatures soaring into the 80s tomorrow. On what time? I mean, I don't want to burden you with this. Would it be?
I know, but I think you'll have your answer.
And that is likely where our deer is. So, don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna get back out there in the morning and go after them, try to find them, but I have a feeling, and Sam's kind of had a feeling, that we think he's dead on this property that we're not allowed into. Round 2, or would this be round 3? Oh, we gotta find this deer, Sam. I did not sleep well, and if we don't find him, I won't sleep well for a while. It's day 3, going out looking for my buck again. Sam and I have been everywhere. It's been an absolute grind. It's exhausting, and it's also very discouraging because we believe we know exactly where this buck is, but the property owners won't give us permission to go in there and get it. So we're doing our due diligence. We're walking everything possible. So Kyla and I are gonna head out right now and see what we can find on some other property that we have access to. Yeah, I'm exhausted, but we can't stop till we find them. We're gonna find this deer.
I had to call Dave.
Hey, what's up, Sam?
Dave.
Please tell me you got good news.
Dave, I think I found your deer.
Shut up. Are you serious?
I'm looking right at him. I'm looking at him right now.
I don't even know. I am speechless, Sam. I'm like borderline like getting emotional. So for those of you who don't know what's going on, I hit that buck Friday, and we looked everywhere, and Sam's like, I'm gonna find this deer. Well, Sam came out here. Sam found the deer. It is literally laying right where we thought it was. Couldn't get permission. The individual who did not give us permission has agreed to let us retrieve the deer. Sam found it from the road. I don't know how.
You see him? Yeah. This is gonna be a nasty job. Then no, don't do that.
I can't believe I saw you puke. Like, what color was that? Yellow?
That was the Buffalo Wild Wings from last night.
I don't want to high five with him
Sam,
staring at us through the window.
we found my buck. You did it. You can gut this one. Sweetie?
You found your buck?
Well, I didn't. Sam found it. He went out.
Shut up.
I swear to God. You remember how we talked about it had to have been on one of those 2 properties?
Yes.
It was. Sam was driving around and drove by and looked and spotted a white belly in the middle of the woods.
See, I'm trying white belly. just laying there, like as he was driving by.
I swear to God, I have the dead buck in the back of my truck. I puked 3 times. Sam. 4 days. 4 days we spent looking for that deer.
BBD.
Get down here.
Raining.
Here.
Should we Stone Cold Steve Austin it?
How do you do that?
Smash him with your chug.
Oh no, you don't want to see me do that. Hey,
Hey.
this is it's like the tangled up map.
Oh boy, it's getting weird. He's ripe.
You don't get that, what do you say, that smell. You never get used to it.
Mm-hmm.
Can't believe this is in the back of my truck. But I got, oh yeah, I'm puke.
He peeked 3 times. That's legit right there.
Here, stand that stuff.
What is that? Saw?
I believe saws.
Oh, nice.
Can I just rip through it?
We're not hunting Friday night.
Yeah.
That's what it means.
We can go doe hunting.
That'd be fun.
Just,
You know what I had to do to talk Allie into letting me go hunt on Friday night?
I'm sorry. Hey, well we could still go. Let's just do like a doe slam.
Do a doe slam.